A free bird flies, soaring through the swaying sheets suspended.
A free bird flies, fluttering with family, sounding their anthem of liberty, equality, fraternity.
A free bird flies, sliding down the condescending skyscrapers, skating across fragrant harbors.
A free bird rests among the sparse treetops upon the heights of Hong Kong and on my battered windowsill.
For decades, I've flown, sung, played, rested, but only in my dreams.
Every morning I open my eyes to my nightmare.
Surrounded by iron bars, I'm made to feel guilty for my sins, but my country is the true criminal, a prisoner of its own wealth.
I am an outcast with a bed too small for love, but a heart too big for loneliness.
In room 2007 lives anxiety, 2009 lives depression. Sandwiched right in between is a place I call home.
No matter what I sacrifice, no matter how much I toil, this cage's lock never breaks. I will forever be trapped in this never-ending cycle, no matter what.
You hide us behind the branches of orchid, throw us in the shadows of your skyline, shun us into the slums of society, dangle freedom above our feeble heads.
When the war began and the world turned upside down, we were on the same side. Yet you retreated to your castles and left us behind on the battlefield to fend for ourselves.
We asked for weapons, we asked for men, but we were subjected to ridicule and judgment. We extended our hands begging for assistance, but you poisoned our water and threw your debris in our palms.
The war was meant to unite us, but it only pronounced our disparity. As the bodies piled up, we tread in the blood of our brothers. Shame on you for letting us drown.
Your ignorance has poisoned the environment, and we are the ones paying for your sins. Trapped in cages of the burning inferno of hellfire you have created.
But must I run out of breath for you to start listening?
The fire is spreading, and you're proudly waving its red flag, busy basking in the beauty of the crimson highlights. Your senses have grown numb to our burns.
So when I die, don't toss my ashes on the streets of your junkyard. Scatter them in the ripples of blue light. Let me be free.
As powerful as your kingdom looks, your walls will soon be swept away with blood. Your castles will crumble around you, and all you can do is grieve powerlessly upon your throne.
As you slowly perish, the only life you can see is the one through your blazing window, soaring past the raging embers, fluttering through the gray clouds of ash, skating away from the sea of red.
For decades, you've flown, sung, played, rested, but not anymore.
In this cage, we won't be lonely for much longer.